Hello friends, welcome back to our tutorial session. Today in this video, we will discuss the simple mode in history. To access this mode, right-click on the history section and select the simple mode option. Once selected, the simple mode interface will appear. Now, let's understand the function of the simple mode. When you enter a new trade in simple mode, let's say the second last trade is related to Bitcoin. In this case, you will only see the sell price but not the buy price. This indicates that it is a new trade for selling. Similarly, if you see only the buy price without the sell price, it means it is a new trade for buying. A complete trade is represented by both buy and sell prices listed in a single line, accompanied by the corresponding profit and loss. Unlike in the simple mode, the brokerage fee is displayed on the same line where the trade is executed. Unlike the previous mode, we cannot ignore the brokerage fee here. Everything else remains the same. Sometimes certain information may not be visible initially. In such cases, remember to check all the filters and ensure that all of them are selected. If any filter is unchecked, click on it to select all the filters. In the next video, we will discuss additional modes available in the history section. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more valuable content.